Hello friends, how are you? Today I am going to show you how to make this awesome logo in Inkscape. So guys, let's start. First, write your text, and you can write your text according to your need. After the writing the text, you can adjust the size of the text. Now you can also change the font style. After the changing the font style, uh, we have to again increase the size of this text, and now go to path and convert it to path. After converting it to path, we can select the node of this object. Now open the fill and stroke dialog box, and enable the outline for this text. Actually I need some thickness for this object. You can adjust it from here. I think this is okay. Now go to path and click on stroke to path. This time this is two objects, so we have to ungroup it, and after the ungrouping select all these again and go to path and click on union. So this is the now single object. Now create a circle, adjust the circle, and now we have to separate this object. Go to path and click on separate. Adjust the objects. Now select this one and delete it. I think we need some more adjustment. Now you can delete it. Now select all these and go to path and click on union. So now this is the single object, and we have to remove the transparency. Go to fill dialog box and remove the transparency. Now select this one again and change the color. Now duplicate it. After the duplicating, change the color of newly duplicated object. Now select all these and group it. After the grouping, duplicate it and adjust it like this. Again duplicate it. You can press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it. Again duplicate this one. Again duplicate and adjust the object. This time I'm again duplicating the object. I think this is my final. Okay, I'm again duplicating. We can adjust all the object after duplicating the objects. Now select all these and you can ungroup it. After the ungrouping, I think this is okay. Hmm. Change the color of these objects one by one. Don't select the black one, and carefully select the blue object and change the color one by one. Now select it and change the color. Change the color. Okay. Last one, fill with white color. I think this is okay. Now select all these and duplicate it and drag the position and go to path and click on union. Actually I will need this object for shadow purpose. Duplicate it again and arrange this object like this and send it to back. Adjust the objects. Now we have to create a background. Create a rectangle and send it to back. Remove the outline, hold on shift key and click on none color to remove the outline and change the color of background. I think we need some more adjustment. Lock it, and I have locked the background. Now select the shadow object, apply the blend option from here and apply some transparency for the shadow object. You can also adjust the color from here. Now select this one and go to edit and use this trick to select all the black object. Now hold on shift key and click on the last one to deselect. Now you can apply the blur option for these object. Also adjust the transparency. Okay. Now select the last one and select the white object and apply the outline. and adjust the outline. Change the outline color. I think this is okay now. Now select this one and delete it. I hope you can make better than me. Please try it with your own color combination. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.